Top 5 digital tools for automating daily productivity.
Discover powerful tools that help you save time and reduce manual effort. From handling your emails to organizing your to-do list, these apps can transform your daily routine and boost your efficiency. Let's explore the top 5 digital tools designed to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow.
1. Zapier. Connect and automate your apps.
Zapier allows you to automate workflows between your favorite apps and services. Set up Zaps to trigger actions automatically, like saving email attachments to cloud storage or posting updates across multiple platforms. With hundreds of supported apps, Zapier can handle routine tasks in the background, letting you focus on what matters most.
2. Todoist. Smarter task management.
Todoist goes beyond a regular task list by offering smart automation features. Organize tasks, set recurring reminders, and turn emails into to-dos with just one click. Integrations with calendar apps and team collaboration tools help you stay on track, automate reminders, and keep your productivity seamless throughout the day.
3. IFTTT. Simplify everyday routines.
IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. This tool lets you create simple automations called applets that connect different apps and smart devices, automatically back up photos, sync events across calendars, or receive custom notifications for important emails. With IFTTT, you can simplify much of your digital life with minimal setup.
4. Microsoft Power Automate. Advanced custom workflows.
Microsoft Power Automate is a robust tool for creating advanced workflows across Microsoft and third-party services. Automate data collection, approval processes, file transfers, and more with easy-to-build flows. Designed for both individuals and businesses, Power Automate saves you time on routine digital tasks with customizable automation.
5. Notion. All-in-one workspace automation.
Notion combines note-taking, databases, and project management, allowing you to automate recurring tasks and organize information effortlessly. Use templates, linked databases, and integration options to streamline meeting notes, habit tracking, and project planning. Notion's flexibility empowers you to build a personalized productivity system that works for you.
Boost your productivity every day.
Choosing the right automation tools can make a big difference in your productivity. Whether you want to manage tasks, automate email, or organize projects, these digital tools help you save valuable time and reduce repetitive work. Start experimenting with these apps today and unlock a more efficient, automated daily routine.